Welcome to this QuadPro support video. In this video I'll be giving you an introduction to the Documents tab. The Documents tab is located within Sites, Buildings, Spaces, Assets, Asset Maintenance, Projects, Job Requests, Works Orders and Compliance Documents. These are useful in storing all of the important documents within their relevant categories. These are also very useful for when you have to do an audit. You can simply just go to the relevant asset, for example, and open the Documents tab and find what you need. This system allows you to refine the way you store your documents and make your job a little easier. So I will be showing you where you can store documents, and it is relatively similar in most of the document tabs. I'll be showing you in one of the modules, and this also applies to the rest of the modules, so it is relatively simple to follow. So let's go to the buildings and into A block, for example, and head over to the Documents tab. Here you see a list of all of our assets and important assets such as air conditioning systems and the asbestos register. We also have further folders such as electrical testing, so any PAT testing that has taken place can be stored there, documents about emergency lighting, important information about the fire alarm system, and you can also store fire risk assessments and safety reports here as well. To access these folders, you just double click on the link and you get the list here. Simply open any folder and you'll be displayed with the information you need. Now I will show you how to add a new document with an asset. So head to the Assets Register and open an asset record. Head to Documents and double click on the link. This will then create a new folder for you, and all you need to do to add any documents is drag and drop or copy and paste. To add a new document, you simply go to the folder you require and just take the document and paste it in its relevant folder. Now if we head back to QuadPro, we can open up the folder, and the file we need is there for us to access. The next part of this video is showing you how to deal with documents attached to job requests and works orders. So if we open up our job request record, we simply go to the Documents tab, and again a folder is already created with the job request record, and when we open it we can store any documents relative to this job request. This is particularly useful for any members of staff who are working on multiple job requests along with other staff as well, so you all know what's going on and everything is there and easy to access. Now with a works order, you just open up the record and you head to Documents, and again you double click on the link, and any purchase information, any warranty information about what you've purchased can be stored here and easily accessed by members of staff who are dealing with the works order. And lastly, we have our asset maintenance records. These are automatic asset maintenance records which are created when you set up an asset. that is demonstrated in a different video, but if we click on one of these records now, we can see here that the portable appliance testing has been completed, and you can upload any documents here. Now if we open a asset maintenance record, we can see that this has now been completed, and we can add any relevant documents here. So head to your folders and simply open to upload the document, and any audit that is being done can go into this record and access that document to see the proof of completion. Press save to continue and press done to exit. Thank you for watching this QuadPro support video. If you require any assistance, please contact us via email, which is help@quadpro.com, or visit our website www.quadpro.com.